I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood. First, you'll need to download the app and create an account. The process is straightforward, requiring some personal details for verification. Once your account is set up, you can link your bank account to deposit funds. Robinhood aims to make investing accessible, offering a user-friendly platform for beginners and experienced traders alike. Once logged in, the Robinhood app provides an intuitive interface. You can easily search for specific stocks or exchange-traded funds, often referred to as ETFs. Each asset has a dedicated page showing its performance, news, and key statistics. Utilize the watchlist feature to keep an eye on potential investments without committing funds immediately. It's a great way to track market movements. Placing a trade on Robinhood is simple. Select the asset you wish to buy or sell, enter the amount, and confirm your order. You can choose between market orders, limit orders, and stop orders for more control. Your Portfolio tab provides a clear overview of your holdings, showing gains and losses. Remember to regularly review your investments and adjust your strategy as needed. Robinhood offers more than just basic trading. You can explore advanced order types like stop-limit orders and even invest in fractional shares, allowing you to buy a portion of a high-priced stock with as little as $1. If you ever need assistance, their customer support is readily available through the app. Also, for a truly smart home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.